Hello everyone. Welcome back to German Grammar Series. In the last lesson we learnt about the German articles, der for masculine, die for feminine and das for neuter nouns. These articles are also known as definite articles. Today we are going to talk about the plural form of articles. There are two types of plural articles in German. The first one is die and the second one is keine. Plural form of articles is much easier to remember than the definite articles or the singular form of articles. Let's start with die. In the plural form, die is used for all three genders: masculine, feminine and neuter. For example, der Hund becomes die Hunde in plural, die Katze becomes die Katzen in plural, das Haus becomes die Hauser in plural. So you can see how easy it is to remember the plural article. It is used with all plural nouns regardless of their gender. Now let's move on to the second form of plural article, which is keine. We use keine in negative sentences to indicate that there are no plural nouns, which is basically we are negating the existence of plural nouns. Let us understand with some examples. Ich habe keine Zeit, which means I don't have any time. Es gibt keine Probleme, which means there are no problems. So remember, keine is only used in negative sentences. In positive sentences we use die with plural nouns. For example, die Kinder spielen im Park. The children are playing in the park. Die Blumen blühen im Garten. The flowers are blooming in the garden. In these examples, die is used because we are affirming the existence of plural nouns. So to summarize, in German there are only two plural articles, die for all plural nouns and is used in positive sentences, and keine is used for negative sentences. That's it for today's lesson. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next class. Cheers!